Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Amazon Fire Stick so you can go ahead and give it away or resell it and delete all your information. So on the home screen here, let's go all the way to the right and go to Settings, go on down and go to My Fire TV. Then we can go on down on here, and here's the option to reset to factory defaults. Remove all personal data, downloaded content from your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. And it says you are about to reset. And if you want to go ahead and do this, just go to reset right here, and it shouldn't take too long. And then your Amazon Fire Stick is going to boot up like it did the first time you bought it. So you'll have to type in all your information again. Now, if you want to simply just log out of your account or something like that, go to Account and Profile Settings right here. Choose your account and just simply deregister. And this will sign you out of your Amazon Fire Stick. So this process won't be as long. And you can just sign back in with a different account, email address, and password. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.